We're pleased you have chosen AT&T for your new AT&T dedicated Internet Managed Router service. This video is the first in a series we've prepared to help lead you through the service delivery process so that you can have a smooth installation. In this video, we will explain the delivery process and the AT&T groups that will support you in it. Your order has now been accepted and the delivery process has begun. There are two critical components required for a successful service turn-up: installation of an access circuit and all required AT&T equipment to be on site. Both must be completed before the final router installation and activation can happen. Equipment will be delivered prior to the installation of your service. AT&T will ship the pre-configured equipment to you via UPS. You will receive a notification with a tracking number once the package is picked up by UPS. If you have any questions, please watch the equipment delivery video or reach out to the AT&T delivery team. Your physical access circuit installation will be performed by either AT&T, a local carrier, or an AT&T contractor. A site survey may be scheduled to review with you any special needs your location may have to prepare for the installation. If you have any questions, please watch the access circuit delivery video or reach out to the AT&T delivery team. The next step is a final router installation and activation. When the installation is scheduled, the technician will email or call you 2 days before the actual appointment. If AT&T is not your local carrier, your installation will be a two-step process with the access circuit installed first, followed by the service turn-up. Otherwise, both the circuit installation and the service turn-up will be a single event. There are videos in this series that will show you how to prepare your site for the installation and what to expect during the actual installation process. Again, if you have questions regarding the final installation and activation process, reach out to the delivery team. If more convenient, you can also call the Care Center or even submit a ticket through the Order Status Platform tool. Finally, here are some key tips for a smooth circuit installation and service turn-up. Follow the guidance from the AT&T representative during your site survey. Store the AT&T equipment delivered to you in a safe place and have it available at the installation location when the AT&T technician arrives. Review all the videos in this series, paying special attention to the Prepare for Installation video so that your site will be ready for the technician to smoothly turn up your new service. And provide AT&T with the correct local day of installation contact for this location, who will provide the AT&T technician with access where the work will be performed. Following these tips will help to get your service installed smoothly, on time, and billing accurately. Please check out the other short, informative videos in this series to help you have the best possible experience as your new AT&T service is turned up. And again, don't hesitate to reach out to the AT&T delivery team with any questions you may have. Your complete satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.